Hi, I'm Tess Protesto, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the SimplTrack3, the latest in auto tracking technology from HuddleCamHD. Let's dive into unboxing and setting up this powerful tool. The SimplTrack3 can track up to 55 feet, 20x zoom, 270-degree rotation, and 59.5-degree field of view, all in 1080p at 60 frames per second. As you unbox the SimplTrack3, you will find the camera, USB, power supply, IR remote control, the quick start guide, 2 AAA batteries, and an RS-232C cable for joystick control. So let's look at the camera itself. Here we have the tracking lens, which offers 20x optical zoom, and the power indicator. On the back, we have USB 3.0, HDMI, a 3.5mm audio input, an Ethernet port that is PoE capable, SDI connection, and connections for Visca RS-232. With NDI-HX outputs and up to 3 RTMP outputs, the SimplTrack3 is a true plug-and-play solution with many choices for video output. The SimplTrack3 offers flexible deployment options for nearly any setting: pole stand, wall-mounted. Featuring PoE, as well as multiple mounting configurations, this camera can meet the needs of almost any indoor setting. Before we try out the camera, let's put the included AAA batteries inside our remote control and look at those features. You can pan, tilt, and zoom your camera using the up, down, left, right arrow keys on your remote. You can also set specific PTZ camera presets by clicking the preset button and entering the number you want to set. Want to quickly test out the camera's movement operations? Just use the remote to call a preset. Let's install the HuddleCamHD tracking control software by heading to this link or via the video description. Scroll down the page and click the download button underneath tracking control software. Open the HuddleCamHD tracking software and you will be brought to the device management panel. Click Start Search in the bottom section of the software to search for cameras on the same subnet mask as your PC. Select your camera and click Add to Client. A window will appear called the Add window, displaying your camera's name, IP address, and port. There will also be a blank username and password section, which will only be required if you've previously implemented them. You do not need to change this information, just click Add. Your camera should now be included in the device list. In this list, you can see the nickname of your camera, its IP address, camera type, the firmware version, and the connection status. If you have multiple devices connected, hover your mouse over the camera in the device list and click once. This will highlight the camera you wish to use in blue. The SimplTrack3 allows you to define tracking zones around your frame. Let's start by opening the HuddleCamHD SimplTrack software. As you can see, the camera and software offer 3 zones. The tracking area encompasses anywhere an auto-tracking subject might go across your overall frame. Capture subjects near or far with its automatic tracking distance of up to 55 feet. The red zone, or blocking zone, is set anywhere that can be tracked that shouldn't be, such as individuals walking by the doorway, whiteboard, or TV screen where you want auto-tracking to stop. The blue zone, or preset zone, is an automated preset that triggers if the camera enters that selected zone. This could trigger any preset you like, such as switching to a separate camera or turning on a stage light. The SimplTrack3 emulates a broadcast camera operator with advanced hands-free auto-tracking even in a crowded space. Seeking manual PTZ control? Turn off auto-tracking and switch to manual mode using IP settings, or utilize the provided RS-232 cable for operating the SimplTrack3. This enables you to use a PTZ joystick controller or our specialized camera control applications. With its dual sensor auto tracking, platform compatibility, and preset zones for monitoring key areas, the SimplTrack3 is truly an auto tracking camera for everyone. Thanks to its smooth auto tracking and zooming capabilities, using just one camera will make it feel like you have a whole production team at your disposal. For more information on the SimplTrack3, refer to the Quick Start Guide in the user manual. For more advanced operations, please refer to the manual under the Documentation tab at HuddleCamHD.com/SimplTrack3. And as always, feel free to reach out to support or check out our knowledge base on our website. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new SimplTrack3.